today's video, you will be learning how to give animations to a SVG image. So before starting, let us understand what is a SVG image and from where we can get these images. So basically an SVG image is an image which will not pixelate if you zoom it. Over time when we zoom a PNG image, it start pixelating. But when we will be zooming and SVG image, it will still remain smooth from its border and it will not pixelate. So how we can get these images and how we can make these images? So you can make your own SVG image using Adobe Illustrator or using Inkscape, and you can download these images from free from site like Undraw and DrawKit, where you can easily get these SVG image. So for this project, I have downloaded an SVG image, Empty Street, from Undraw website, and I have opened this image in Figma now. After opening this image in Figma, you can basically group the uh, different parts of an SVG image in one group. This we do so that we can select the whole bunch of thing together and give animation to it. So I have already grouped the main portion of this image that we want to animate, like this tree, then this tree, then this tree, then this tree. Let me show you how you can group this in Figma. So select all the parts of images that you want to group and click on right button of mouse and select group selection. After grouping, give this a name that you can identify when you are working with it. So for now I will be giving this as L side M3. Same way I will be grouping this SVG, all the parts of the SVG image, and we'll be clicking on right button and we'll be clicking on group selection. After doing that we can give this a name like L side S3. So after grouping, you now need to export this. So go to this export option. Select, okay, this is selected, that's why this is only exporting. Yeah, select the whole SVG image that you want to select SVG, then click on these three dots, which is export settings, and check this button, which is include ID attributes. Because if you will be not including ID attributes, you can't select this portion of SVG image and give animations to it. So I have given this is like include ID attributes and then click on export. So okay, we just want this to be exported, and here we go. We can write this a name and then we can click on save. Yeah. Now we can close all these stuff. So I have opened my Visual Studio Code, and now we will be seeing how we can basically give animations to a SVG image. First of all, let us see our SVG image, and here you can see that we got this group and we got this ID. We will be using these IDs to animate our image, like this L side tree, then R side trees, so that we can give them an animation. So now how to give animation and how to select this in our HTML and CSS files. So first of all, let us create a HTML page, and here we can give this title, then we can link our CSS file using link tag. After doing that, we will be creating one div with class name img, and we will be pasting this svg image code over here. Yeah, so now let us see our HTML file first of all in browser. So you can see that we have extracted this image in our HTML file. Now you need to address this SVG image in your browser. So we will be giving some basic styles like margin 0, padding 0. After doing that, we can say img. It's a class, so .img, and we can give this a position of absolute, and we can give it a top margin of 20%, left margin of 25%. So let us see how it affected. Right, now it's time to make an animation and animate our SVG image. So first of all, we will be creating keyframes like @keyframes. We will be giving this a name of wave, and yes. So now what we want to do, we want this to tilt and just to and fro, to and fro, to and fro motion. So for that, I will be using transform. Okay, first we need to give this as 0%, and this 0% will be having a transform of like q, because it gives an uneven motion. So I will be saying skew x to be -2 degree, and then we can select this 3 times, one for 50% and one for 100%. We have just created our motion, but now we have to give this motion to our images. First of all, we will be selecting this, and we will be giving this an animation. So like I selected this and I stated that animation, I want wave animation for 2 seconds, something like 2 or 2.4 seconds for infinite time, and we'll be needing like linear motion. Yeah, so let us see. Okay, there is some issues, but where? Let us remove this linear for now. Okay, it is not animating, but why? It was okay. We have not given here 0 degree because we want 2 and 4 motion. So now I guess it should be. Yeah, now you can see that our tree is moving. It is not flipping, it is moving. So to make it flipping, we need to give this a transform origin bottom, because we want our bottom to be stuck. We want the motion from our bottom. So I will be using transform origin bottom, and now you can see that it is flipping, it is not moving. So the same way you can give this animation to each and every one, like to each and every tree basically. So we have 6 trees. I will be duplicating it for 6 trees. Yeah, this small tree should be having the most rapid animation so that it looks real. As when there is a wind, then small trees will be moving fast and big trees will be moving or flipping, we can say, very slowly. So, to give that effect and to make it more realistic, we will be giving this as 1.2 seconds and this medium tree as suppose 1.8 seconds or 1.6 seconds, and this big tree will be given an animation of 2.4 seconds. Same way we can do with this right small tree as 1.2 seconds and this right medium tree as 1.6 seconds, 1.6 seconds, and this right big tree as 2.4 seconds only. So let us see. Cool, our tree is animating very well, but still we need to give something like we don't want that the motion should be fast at beginning or it should be fast during end. So we will be saying that keep our motion linear, and we will be giving this to every tree. So yeah, so we go. Now you can see that it is more smooth than before. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new from this video. So we will be coming with more animation videos like this. So stay tuned with us and subscribe this channel. Till then, bye guys.